Recording आया बोल रहे हो sir. Okay, mute all sir, mute already I mute all. Right, see everyone, so see everyone, recording also I will put. See everyone, here is a probability yesterday started, so everyone, sir, mute all sir, mute all already. Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. Everyone see what I am going to start the probability yesterday. So everyone observe that one is probability means it is a work. Some work we did means it is called as a probability. Any work that is called probability. So that probability is chance of something, chance of will happening. Event means we tossing the coin or throwing the die or rolling the die. Any one result is called, outcome is called, that is called event. Event is represented by the letter of E, capital E. Next one. So coin should be given means it is a tossing. We can use that word. So coin is tossing. Then two faces coin have. One face is the tail, one face is the head. Okay, na? Die means we are playing the Ludo. In that one we have the cube type. 6 faces we have. Each face in Ludo we are playing. In that one each face have the one number. First phase 1, second phase 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phases is there. So for die, what more than one die, we say that dices. Okay, na? Dice. So means more than one die. So next in die is we are using the rolling the die or throwing the die. Okay, na? Next one. So yesterday we are going to discuss the probability definition. What is the probability definition is? Everyone see. Probability of event. Probability. Probability of event. Probability of event is, so that is probability of event is represented by P of E. Okay, na? What is the formula for P of E is? So what is the formula is? Number of favorables. Number of favorables. Number of favorable event. Number of favorable of outcomes. Number of favorable of outcomes, okay, by total outcomes, by total outcomes, okay, na? By total outcomes. This is called probability definition. Okay, na? Everyone clear? Probability definition is mute, already mute everyone. Okay. So next one is number of favorable outcomes by, so total outcomes I will write everyone. This is the definition of probability. Okay, na? So using the definition yesterday, we take one die, one coin. So coin is we have the two faces, tail and head faces. Okay, na? Tail and head faces. Everyone total number of outcomes is the total outcomes is the 2. Total outcomes is equal to 2. Total outcomes is the 2. Everyone clear? In that one, probability of head D is required. In this one, how many H letters is there? Only one letter is there. Favorable is a 1, by total is a 2. That is the probability of head event. Probability of tail event means first write down total outcomes is the 2. In that one T letter we have only 1. Therefore 1. Therefore 1 by 2 is the probability of tail. Okay, na? Next, I will take one die. Die have the number of total results is, total outcomes of die is equal to, total outcomes of die is equal to 6. because of die have the 6 names. Everyone see 6 numbers. So this is the die. Each face we have the number. First, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the downside is the 3 and 4, and that's back side is the 5, up down, and this side is the 6. Total we have the 6 faces. Total number of faces is the 6. Okay na? In that one, I want probability of 3 number is required. Okay. So first total outcomes is the 6. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 3 is repeated means only 1. Therefore, 1 by 6 is the answer. Probability of even number is, probability of even numbers mean first to write down total probability is the 6 even numbers count. 2 is the one even number, 4 is the one even number, 6 is the one even number, 2, 4, 6. How many is there means 3 is there. Therefore 3 by 6. Therefore by the simplification its answer is 1 by 2. This is the probability definition. Only you should be remember number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Okay na? Right. Basing this one, I am going to the yesterday this point we have to be discussed all over these points. Everyone observe. Right. I go through the everyone see. I go through the so now the charting is a came. Sir, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Nichal direct message file. Okay. Right. Everyone see. Now I go through the, so what is the another point is sample, now a random experiment. What is a random experiment mean? So any random experiment is random experiment. Random experiment. What is the meaning of random experiment is just doing the any one work. So tossing a coin, that is called random experiment. Throwing a die is called as a random experiment. That random experiment exactly. So what is the meaning of random experiment mean? We know the total result, but what is the correct answer we don't know. For example, I toss the coin. One face is the tail and another face is the head. So total results is the 2. Compulsory 2 will come. So, but I toss the coin, but what is the exact answer? I don't know. I know the tail may be chance, head may be chance. Therefore, we doing the work, but we don't know the exact answer. That is called a random experiment. Okay, na? Random experiment means we do the work. We do the work. Okay, na? We do the work, but we don't know the exact answer. That is called random experiment. Okay, na? So random experiment point is clear na everyone? Right. Everyone see the next point is sample space. This is the most important. Sample space. Sample space. What is the sample space? Is the represented by the letter of S. Sample space is represented by the letter of S. What is the sample space mean? Total outcomes write down the under the set form. Total outcomes write down the set form. That is called random. That is called sample space. What is the correct definition is set of all outcomes is called as a random. For example, I take one coin. What is the outcomes of the head and the tails are the total outcomes. Therefore, put in the curved bracket set form. It is called as a sample space. I will take die. I take die. I take die. So die means how many faces is there? 6 faces is there. Okay na? So sample space is it have how many faces is the 6 faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. This is called sample space. Okay na? So this is called sample space. Is it clear everyone? So sample space means set of all outcomes is sample space is the biggest set in probability. So universal set is the biggest set in set theory. Universal set is the biggest set in set theory. In the same way, sample space is the biggest set in set theory. Sample space is the biggest set in set theory. Everyone is the understand this point is the universal set is the biggest set in set theory. Sample space is the biggest set in the probability. Sample space is the biggest set in probability. Okay, na? Right. Now, how can you write the sample space? This is the most important. Everyone see, this is the most important. So if we are understand this point, mean 90% of the probability is understand clearly. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see sample space. I will write sample space of the one coin, sample space of the two coins, sample space of the three coin, sample space of the four coin. I will write by the formula method. I will write by the tree method. I will write by the trick method. Three methods I will explain, but everyone should follow the trick method only. Okay, na? Sample space. Okay, na? So sample space under that one, I am going to write sample space of the one die, one coin, two coins, three coins, and four coins. Okay, now by the three methods. One is the formula method, one is the tree method, one is the trick method. Okay, now right. First, I will put the heading is sample space. I give the detailed notes in our WhatsApp. Everyone see it is represented by the letter of S, right? So first I am going to find the sample space of the one coin. So one coin. So one coin sample space is how many faces we have in one coin mean two faces. One is the head face, one is the tail face. This is the finish. Okay, na? For this is the finish. Formula method is everyone see. Formula method for one coin is sample space means number of element in sample space is face to the power of coin tossed number of times. F is face to the power of n. N is equal to coin tossed number of times. Coin tossed number of times. Coin tossed number of times. Okay, na? Right. Here is number of times. Everyone see. So formula method number of elements in sample say space set is how many faces in one coin is two faces to the power of coin one coin is tossed one time, therefore to the power of one, therefore total results is the two. See here count number of elements is the two. Okay, na? So multiple coins is given, right? Multiple coins, two coins is given, three coins is given. Then how can you do? Okay, na? Two coins is given, three coins is given. What is the procedure? One coin means very easy. Okay, na? Two coins is given, multiple coins is given. Then what is the procedure to find the sample space? Okay, na? So once one coin method is over, I am go through the 2 coins method and 3 coins method. I go through in that one, right? Formula means same, right? Everyone see. 2 co 2 coins, 2 coins tossed at a time, tossed at a time. This is converted into the 1 coin. So this is converted in 1 coin. 1 coin, coin tossed 2 times, right? 2 coins tossed at a time is equal to the 1 coin tossed 2 times. Both are same. 1 coin is tossed 2 times or 2 coins is tossed to at a time. So both are same. Okay. Na? So 2 coins is given means immediately convert to 1 coin. 1 coin tossed 2 times you have to be convert. 3 coins are tossed at a time means 1 coin is tossed 3 times. You have to convert like that one only. Okay. Na? Right. 2 coins is tossed mean first formula method we can see. Formula method. So number of elements in the sample space outcomes only we can get. Formula method, sample space never get. Only number of elements in sample space we get. Number of elements in the set of sample space. That is the face. One coin have the 2 faces. One coin tossed how many times? 2 times. Therefore, 4 number of elements is 4 in sample space. How it is, right? See, tree method. Tree method. What is the tree method is? So 2 coins tossed at a time. 1 coin is tossed 2 times. Both are same. Okay, na? Tree method is first take 1 coin. That is the result is the head and tail. Okay, na? 1 coin. First I will write the coin. Result is the head and the tail. First step is over. First step is over. Again, the coin is second coin is tossed another time. Again, 2 results write down. Here is the head, here is the tail. Here also write down head and write down the tail. Okay, na? This is the second step. 3 means 3 steps to write down. Okay, na? 3 coins mean 3 steps. Now see, sample space is everyone observe. Head, head, head. Everyone observe. Head, comma. Next, head, tail. Next, over. Head is over. Head, tail is over. Next, come to the downside. Tail, head. Next one is tail. Next, tail. These are the 4 results. These are the 4. First coin head, second coin also head. First coin is the head, second coin is the tail. First coin is the tail, second coin is the head. Third coin is the tail, first coin is the tail, and second coin also tail. So this is the number of tree method we can apply. No, sir, tree method we are feeling difficulty means I will tell trick method. See, the trick method is trick method. Everyone see the trick method. I am writing the trick method also. So first, number of elements write down. Number of total outcomes write down. Total outcomes. So already we know that total outcomes is the 4. Okay, na? 1 coin faces is 2. 1 coin is tossed 2 times. N is the 2 times. Okay, na? So total outcomes is the 4. First make it as a take off. 4 off is the 2. So 1 time, 2 times is the head. Here also write down 2 times is the tail. Okay. 4. Our total number of 1 coin is tossed 2 times. Therefore, one coin five faces are 2. N is the 2 times is the tossing. 2 square is the 4. So total outcomes are 4. Take off 2. 2 times heads, 2 times tail, write down. Again, make it as a off. 2 off is 1. 2 off is 1. One head, one tail, one head, one tail. Now total results is KMC, head, 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 tail, tail, head, and a tail, 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 head, and tail, tail. This is one of the simple method. First, total outcomes write down, off we should be take. What is the off is the 2, therefore 2 times heads, 2 times tails write down. Next, 2 off take, 1. One head, one tail, one head, one tail. Now see the result. Head, 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 tail. See the same results. So head, 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 comma, head, tail, and tail, head, and tail, tail. Same result. See upside, same result we get. Okay, na? So I will explain once again. 3 coins also. Okay, na? 3 coins. Right, see the 3 coins. I am going to the 3 coins. Okay, na? I go through the 3 coins, everyone see 3 coins method. I am going through the 3 coins method. First I will write formula method, same trick method. I will write trick method. I will write tree method, everything I will write same. And 4 coins also I will write. See everyone. Right. First one, 3 coins tossed at a time, 1 coin convert. 3 coin tossed at a time, immediately convert 1 coin. 1 coin, right? 1 coin, right? Or 1 coin, 1 coin tossed 3 times. 3 coins tossed at a time, immediately convert 1 coin tossed 3 times. Okay, na? Now formula method. 1 coin have the how many faces? 2 faces. N is how many times is the tossing? 3 times. N is the 3. Total elements in sample space is 8. That is the formula method is over. Tree method. Right. Come to the tree method. Tree method is everyone. First, I am taking the 1 coin. First step right on head, tail. Okay, na? Head, tail. This is a coin, 1 coin. First step is over. Second step, head represent with 2. Head, tail. Again, represent here, head, tail. This is the second step is over. Second is over. Third step, again this head represent head, tail. Again, this represent head, tail. Again, this represent head, tail. Again, this represent head, tail. Okay, na? Now see the sample space. So sample space 8 will come, clearly observe. First start with H, H, H. First one is completed. H, H, H is completed. 1. Next H, next H, H, T. This, and this. Okay, na? So H, H, T is over. Once again, see H, H, H. Okay, na? First row H, H, H completed. Next H, H, T completed. Okay, na? Next H. Here is everyone observe. H, T, H, H, T, H, H, T, H. Again, H, T, T, H, T, T. Okay, na? Next, come here. T, T, H, H, T, H, H, T, H, H. Next one. T, H T. Okay, na? T H T. Next one. T T H. T T H. Third one. T. Only 10 minutes time is there. T T T. Right. T T T. This is the sample space. Okay, na? Tree method is the just writing is the one method is the tree method. That is the should be understand means very easy. No means I will explain trick method. See, trick method very simple. Trick method is the very simple. Right. Everyone observe the trick method. Uh, 3 coins tossed at a time and 1 coin tossed 3 times. How say Ray? So 3 times who is asking Afzal? Yes. Afzal see. 3 coins tossed at a time. 3 coins tossed at a time. Head, head, head. Or 1 coin is tossed one time head, second time tossed head, and third time tossed head. Same na? H, H, H. Afzal understand this one? 3 coins tossed at a time. H is at a time is came. 1 coin is tossed first time, second time, third time. Same result is came. Okay, na? Right. Trick method C. Everyone see the trick method. To from formula. No, same sir. Answer is how same sir. I will explain. Afzal, I will explain. Now it is clear na? Now it is clear, sir. 3 coins tossed at a time and 1 coin 3 times. How same, sir? No. Formula will give the only number of results. Formula method will give the only number of results. What are the results will give by the tree method? So 3 coins at a time toss, 3 results will get. 1 coin tossed 3 times, 3 results will come. Okay, na? Yes, sir. Okay. Take 3 coins, toss at a time, 3 at a time, we get 3 results. 1 coin has tossed 3 times, note down, 3 results will come get na? Right, trick method C. Total outcomes from the formula is, total outcomes from the formula is, what is the total outcomes is the 8. Now make it as a half. 8 of is the 4. 4 heads right down. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 tails right down. T, 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 T. Okay, na? Total outcomes is the 8. Already by the formula method. Take off only first take off. What is the off is the 4. 4 heads, 4 tails. Over the again off. 4 off is the 2. 2 heads. Here write down. 2 heads and 2 tails. Same here also. 2 heads, 2 tails. Okay, na? 2 heads, 2 tails. Okay, now over na? Again off we can make. 2 off is the 1. 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. Same answers came. See, H, 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 double H, T, and double H, T middle, and H, T, T, H, T, 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 H, H, double T, H, double T, H, double T, H, and triple T. Same answer we get by the trick method also. And now we should try 4 coins. It should be tried. Everyone try the 4 coins. 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 Same method. Everyone try the 4 coins. Don't follow the tree method. Trick method only follow. Trick method only follow. Trick method is the very easy. We should follow the trick method. Okay, na? 4 coins tossed at a time. 1 coin is tossed 4 times is the same. From formula, yes. For formula, first write down for formula. 1 coin face is the 2. How many times is the tossing? 4 times. 16 results will come. 16 results will come. Okay, na? So don't follow the tree method. Tree method will take the more. So that's why you should follow the trick method. Everyone follow the trick method. I will write trick method. You should try write trick method. Write trick method. Write down everyone. Total outcomes by the formula 16. Total outcomes. First, total outcomes from the formula is 16. Total outcomes, make it as a of 8. 8 hits right down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hits. 8 tails right down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hits. 8 tails is over. Next off make 8 off is the 4 mean 4 heads 4 tails. 4 head 1, 2, 3. Second step 4 heads. Second step is the 4 heads and 4 tails. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step is the 4 heads. 4 heads. 4 tails. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step is over. Again third step. 4 off is the 2. 2 heads, 2 tails. Third step, 2 heads, right? 2 tails. Again, 2 heads, 2 tails. Again, here also, third step, 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails. Last, fourth step, 4 times na, 4 coins na. So, fourth time, 2 off is the 1. Fourth step, 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. Fourth step, 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. See, total count 16 is came. Trick method is a very simple. Tree method going on, it will become as a difficulty, but trick method is a very simple. First step, total, what is the first? 8. 8 heads, 8 tails. Next, second step, 4 heads, 4 tails. 4 head. Next, third step, 2 heads, 2 tails. Next step, 1 head, 1 tail. Okay, na? So, 4 step, 4 times tossing, na? The 4 steps is needed. Okay, na? So easy. Now we can count 16 will come sample space. This is the tree method, trick method. So trick method and a tree method we can follow. Tree method is the going on, coins is increasing, me tree method will become as a difficulty. Trick method is a very simple. Okay, na? So that's why always follow the trick method only. Very simple method. Okay, na? This is the for coins. Dice sample space. Now this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, na? Next I go through the die. Anyone? Good, sir. Very good. Very good. For die, I am writing the for die. Right. Everyone